going to revive YouTube from the Arctic Ocean because Donald and Goofy sent him to Arctic Ocean. So let's go.
Wow. I am now relieved. Thank you, sound effect. You saved my life.
You're welcome, YouTube. Now it's time for me to take you home. Alright, YouTube. Have a good day. Stay safe.
Thank you. I'll do whatever I want.
Oh, no, you don't. You do. You just got revived by sound effect. How dare you being revived by sound effect? You're supposed to be dead forever because you tried to kill a giraffe. And sound effect. How dare you revive YouTube? You don't use a bad word for terminating me for no reason. That's it. I'm calling your parents right now.
Fuck.
And two, you are grounded for being revived.